Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the questions which are being asked in GATE exams. The questions which are asked in English are very easy and very easy, and we can easily score full marks. So we have to prepare. We have to prepare very lightly for it. And the common questions which are asked in GATE exams are on the errors. The statement will be given and you have to find which statement is correct or which statement is wrong. So the first error which are being asked in GATE examination English is noun error. A noun error can be used to identify a place, person and things. Okay, it can be singular or plural. The verb used for them differ for singular noun and plural noun. So first you have to identify noun whether it is singular or plural. Whenever it is given in question, whenever it is given a sentence in the question that people is gathered in the cricket stadium. So here people is the plural noun. So we have to use are after the word people. It will be incorrect that the people is gathered in the cricket stadium. We cannot use the word is after the people. We will use are because people is a plural word. So the correct statement will be the people are gathered in cricket stadium. Okay, it will be incorrect that people is gathered. We cannot use is after the people because people is a plural word. Okay, such nouns include examples of such plural nouns are what? Cattle, peasantry, police, clergy, vermin. Okay, they appear to be singular, but actually they are plural nouns. So we have to take care of it that the given noun is plural or singular. If it is singular, then we have to use is because is used for singular noun, and if the word is plural, we have to use are because are is used for plural. Okay, now plural noun. All plural nouns should always be followed by plural verbs like scissors, stockings, trousers, specs, shorts, goods, employees, etc. These are the plural noun. Okay. For example, uh, 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 as employee is a plural noun, so we cannot use the word employee as it is given here that employees is participating in Diwali celebration. It is incorrect because employee is a plural noun. So we cannot use is after the employee. We will use are after the employees. Okay. Okay. Now the collective noun. So some collective noun like team, public, government, committee, jury, audience, and combined set of attributes like poetry, machinery, ethics, mathematics, physics, classic, innings, stationery, news, abuse, economics, business are considered as singular noun. All of these are considered as singular noun. Okay. So for examples, if the statement is given like this that the company were founded in the year of 2001, it will be incorrect because company is a singular noun. So we cannot use where. Where is used for plural. Okay, where is used for plural noun. So we cannot use here where. The correct statement will be the company was founded in the year of 2001. Okay, as the company is a collective noun which is singular, so we cannot use where after the company. It will be incorrect, and the correct statement will be the company was founded in the year of 2001. Okay, it will be correct because company is a singular collective noun. Okay. Now ethics is other collective noun which is singular, so we cannot use are after the ethics because ethics is not a plural noun and are is used for a plural noun. So the correct statement will be ethics is important in an organization. It will be correct, and the incorrect statement will be ethics are important in an organization. Okay, as ethics is singular noun, so we cannot use are after the ethics. We will always use is after the ethics. So now pronoun error. A pronoun is a word which refers to noun in the sentence in case of possession. Okay, this can be easily understood by following example. For example, all employees must complete their key result area. Okay, it will be correct. Each student must bring their books. it will be incorrect. Okay, each student must bring his parents at exam meeting, it will be correct. A pronoun should always be compatible with its antecedent noun. Okay.
Okay, now the adjective error. Comparative adjectives such as superior, inferior, prior must be suffixed with to. When we have to compare between any two things or objects, we have to use to after these words. Okay. Example: Nike shoes are superior than any other sport shoes. It will be incorrect. What we have to use? We have to use to after these words like superior, inferior, prior. Okay. So, what is suffix? Suffix is the word which is used after any word. Okay. So, examples are Nike shoes are superior than. Here, than will not be used. What will we use? We will use to after the word superior. The word superior is suffixed with to, not with than. So the first statement will be incorrect. That is, Nike shoes are superior than any other sport shoes. It is the incorrect statement. The correct statement is Nike shoes are superior to any other sport shoes. Okay. Superior के बाद हमें क्या use करना है? To use करना है. Superior is suffixed with the to, not with than. Okay. These are the adjective errors. Now the miscellaneous errors. The words beginning with H such as honest, higher, are, etc. are silent and an must be prefixed to them. Just like the suffix, prefix is used before any word. Okay. So such words like honest, higher and are, in these words, H is silent and they appear to be pronounced as honest, O. So we use an before these words. Okay? For example, the train is a hour late. It will be incorrect. The train is an hour late will be correct. Okay? We will use an before the hour.
Now the use of since and for. So the use of since and for are to be taken care of when, for example, when we are talking about for certain duration of time like 3 years, 4 years, when we know the exact time, then we use for. Okay, and when we just know the reference like since Monday, okay, just we know the day, just like since Monday, since Tuesday, we don't know that it is ago 5 days or 4 hours before or for 5 hours. Okay, when it is talking about just the reference, then we use the word since, and the for exact duration of time we use the word for example, I have been waiting for the bus since 3 hours, it will be incorrect, but because here it is talking about 3 hours. Okay, the exact time, so we use for here. Okay, we will use that I have been waiting for the bus for 3 hours, it will be correct because the exact time is given, so we use the word for, not the since. We will use since when there is just a reference time, that I'm waiting for you since Monday, I'm waiting for you since 1992, not the exact time or date. Okay, then we will use since, and when the exact time is given we will use for. Okay then. Thank you students, have a nice day.